Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friends, today we are going to discuss about section 120B of the Indian Penal Code. Section 120B of the Indian Penal Code is about punishment in criminal conspiracy. So today we are going to analyze section 120B of the Indian Penal Code. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page and check out the playlist. There are numerous playlists on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC and various other issues. And there are very informative and valuable videos in those playlists, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, Section 120B of the Indian Penal Code prescribes punishment for criminal conspiracy. So here, criminal conspiracy is almost treated as abatement. So in criminal conspiracy, two or more people agrees for an illegal act, and in pursuance of that agreement, they do certain act which is an offense. So as per the offense, their punishment is decided. If an offense where the punishment is life imprisonment or death sentence, then the punishment will be different, and in other cases the punishment will be different. So section 120B of the Indian Penal Code has categorized it. So before analyzing it further, let's understand what is given in the BEAR Act, in the provision of section 120B of the Indian Penal Code. So section 120B of the Indian Penal Code says punishment of criminal conspiracy. Whoever is a party to a criminal conspiracy to commit an offense punishable with death, imprisonment for life or a rigorous imprisonment for a term of 2 years or upwards shall, where no express provision is made in this code for the punishment of such a conspiracy, be punished in the same manner as if he had abated such an offense. It clearly says that if the punishment is for an offense where death sentence, life imprisonment or a rigorous imprisonment for 2 years or more is given, and where there is no express provision for punishment in such an offense, the offense of criminal conspiracy will be treated as abatement, and the quantum of punishment will be almost the same or will be the same as it is given for the abatement of such offenses. However, in other categories where the punishment for those offenses is less than 6 months, the punishment for criminal conspiracy in those acts is different. So the provision is given in the second paragraph of the section 120B of the Indian Penal Code. So section 120B of the Indian Penal Code says whoever is a party to a criminal conspiracy other than a criminal conspiracy to commit an offense punishable as aforesaid shall be punished with imprisonment or of either description for a term not exceeding 6 months or with fine or with both. It says that if for any other offense, in the second paragraph of the section 120B, if the offense which has been earlier mentioned in the first paragraph is different from those offenses, then the punishment for those offense should be for a term of 6 months or with fine or both. So this is all about section 120B of the Indian Penal Code. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. I'll be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.